Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Hootsuite for social selling success, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin using Hootsuite for social selling success, start by logging into your Hootsuite account. If you don't have an account yet, visit the Hootsuite website and sign up for a free trial. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your Hootsuite dashboard. Next, connect your social media accounts by clicking on the My Profile icon on the bottom left. Select Manage Social Networks and then click on the Add Social Network option. Choose the social media platforms you want to connect and follow the prompts to authenticate each account. Now, navigate to the Streams section on the left sidebar. Create a new stream for each of your social accounts to monitor engagement and conversations. Click Add Stream and select the type of stream you want based on your social selling goals. For example, adding a Twitter stream for mentions or a Facebook page feed can be beneficial. Next, utilize the Composer feature to draft your social selling content. Click on the New Post button and select the social networks you want to post to. Create engaging content that resonates with your target audience. Remember to include images or videos to enhance your posts. Now, incorporate relevant hashtags to broaden your reach. Once your post is ready, you can either share it immediately or schedule it for later. To schedule a post, simply select the calendar icon and choose your desired date and time. After scheduling, move on to the Analytics section to track your performance. Analyze engagement metrics to understand what types of posts drive the most interaction. Use these insights to refine your content strategy and improve future posts. Finally, engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages directly from Hootsuite. This real-time interaction can significantly boost your social selling efforts. By following these steps, you can effectively leverage Hootsuite for social selling success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.